If you use Google Chrome regularly, adding the right extensions can dramatically improve your browsing experience, boost productivity, and keep you organized. In this video, we'll cover essential Chrome extensions everyone should consider in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. One must-have category is productivity extensions. Tools like Toby or OneTab help manage multiple tabs, organize your workflow, and save sessions for later, preventing tab overload. For students and workers who frequently research online, extensions like Grammarly can automatically check grammar, spelling, and writing style across websites, emails, and documents, saving time and improving communication. Another essential category is privacy and security extensions. Extensions like uBlock Origin block unwanted ads and trackers, improving page load speed and protecting your data. Password managers like LastPass or Bitwarden securely store passwords, generate strong credentials, and autofill login forms, making online accounts safer and easier to manage. For multitaskers and remote workers, automation and note-taking extensions can be lifesavers. Tools like Google Keep or Evernote Web Clipper let you save web content, create notes, and sync them across devices instantly. Other extensions like Dark Reader improve reading comfort by applying dark mode to websites, reducing eye strain during long browsing sessions. Finally, don't forget communication and collaboration extensions. Tools like Zoom Scheduler or Loom make scheduling meetings, recording, or sharing videos directly from the browser faster and easier, helping teams stay connected and efficient. In conclusion, the right Chrome extensions can save time, enhance productivity, and protect your online privacy. By using extensions for tab management, writing, security, note-taking, and collaboration, you'll get the most out of your browser. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and Chrome tutorials.